How to merge two LinkedIn accounts. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can merge two LinkedIn accounts. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here that you'll need to take is simply search for merge LinkedIn account. So search for merge LinkedIn account. And after you search for that, just head over to this first link. So head over to the link, this one. And after you're here, there you will see an option that says request to merge the accounts. Now you can read through these options as well. So as you can see, you can use several different email address, or if you have to use several different email address, you use a recycled email address and stuff like that. So you can read through all of this and tap on request to merge the accounts. After you do that, here you will see a sign in option. You can sign in into one of your accounts, and then what you can do is simply type in your name, your last name, your email address that is currently associated to the account, and also make sure that you read this important. So as it says right here, account merge will only transfer the connection and email address of the account that you want to close. So if you want to close, or simply if you want, when you want to merge an account, what happens is one of your accounts gets closed, and that account's email address and connections will get transferred into your other account. So other than that, everything else, every other data will be simply purged from LinkedIn's database. So yeah, keep that in mind and simply put the URL of the profile that you want to keep open, and then the email address associated to the account that you want to keep open. After that, simply select this option that says, do you have the access to the email address associated to the account you want to keep? So simply select whichever you want. After you do that, simply choose the profile URLs of the account you want to merge. So select your account which you want to close, your URL, and then email address associated to the account that you want to close. After that, simply select whichever is the option for you here, and then provide any other relevant details that you might have. After that, go to the captcha and then tap on submit, and then your account will go through the merge request and it will get merged. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.